Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a vital issue to talk about, but before we do that, if you are new to this channel, please like and leave a thumbs up, man. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. So let's get it started. So guys, today I want to be talking about Buhari government, our president. Buhari has been a bad boy right from day one, right from his childhood up to now. He has been a bad boy. Buhari not the only president who in base man. Death not the penal for body. I not just know the kind of president we have in Nigeria. You know, if you run for Buhari be like monetary spirit. If they follow you go everywhere when you go, it must affect you in one way or the other. Which kind of president we get? Everything they go up, everything they change. Buhari they make life difficult for everybody. Home and away. Eh? Okay. The reason why I do this video, PC, now the central bank can't come together, can't ban online transfer. Any online transaction when they do from outside Nigeria to Nigeria, they can't say, man, all transaction must be in dollar. So if you they use pounds now, if you want to send pounds to Nigeria, they must first convert it to naira, to dollar, before the money you can go reach, you can go convert and get to naira. Just imagine you also with pounds or you also with euro. Then you first convert the euro or the pounds to dollar. Before the dollar, they will not convert it to naira. Are we going forward or we are going backward? I don't just understand. I don't just understand. What's going on? We went busy, our economy dey reach 0-0. We suppose even they promote or they promote our currency. We suppose even they do things when go make our economy grow. Instead, we they give everything, we help other people economy, we they build other people economy. Our government, they can't forget, say me, that process of transacting euro to dollar, then dollar to naira, automatically the rate of dollar they increase. So automatically America economy it they boost, with the boost America economy. Because currency when sit down on your own, we'll first go carry down one before it go come our own. Nigeria can't be like third party. Nigeria can't be like third party, because you can't just send euro to Nigeria, then you just receive it like that. No, it must be euro to dollar, dollar to naira. Wetin concern dollar, concern euro, concern naira. Why money no fit flow from euro direct to naira? Then with the boost dollar, we sit down on the own. Why our currency they fall, our economy they fall. But what did they happen? Okay, see now, many agencies now be there when they do all this online transfer. If you want to send money, you don't need to go far again. You don't even need Western Union again. You don't need black market again. You just do everything from your bed, from wherever you are. But now all of them, they close, they fold up, because they not feel abide to that law. They not feel fortune with the law. Now to send money now a problem. Many Nigerians now For the past 1 month now, getting to 2 months, dem no fit send money go house because of this useless CBN law. Why are we doing all this to our citizens or ourselves? Why this government just decide to make everybody feel bad? Many of us, even the PCMA, we don't run from the government. Buhari government, we don't run for you. We don't know say your bad there go still follow us. You go still affect us in one way or the other. What's wrong with these guys? What's wrong with this government? I know the reason why you guys did this. I know the reason why. Because right from time, me and you know say me when it comes to currency now, booking I dey run am. When it comes to currency now, booking I dey do every exchange. You want buy dollar, you want sell dollar, you want change dollar, you want change euro, you want do everything on our booking. I don't know why normal person, normal south or normal east or west, not fit dey do that thing. Now only northerners na dey into that thing. Now, since when all these online transfer don't take they exist, when be say you can transfer money direct from your bank account to Nigeria account, now Aboki not get work again. Black market not they move again. That's why CBN now can't come together and I can't make that useless law so that everybody now go start to they do black market again. And then Aboki go get work again. Yeah. Now the reason why be say me when I do this fucking thing, nothing more. Una want me Aboki get work again. Una want me black market come back again. Make people begin they transact with black market. That's the main reason. Because I don't see anything bad with sending euro to naira or sending pounds to naira. You fit convert euro to dollar from dollar before you send to naira. Does that even make any sense? I just they make life difficult for everybody. I just they make many of us they feel like Nigeria is no longer a country. That is, if you don't get opportunity to leave the country, to even come back na problem, because everything is so disorganized. There is no fucking future. Nothing. What is wrong with these people? What is wrong with this government? What is wrong? Make people begin to do black markets again. You know how many people money lost? You know how many people money lost? Before, you give person money, me carry go ass. You go say the season for airport, the season for this, they do this, they do that. You know how many people money lost? Now all these online transfer don't come. Now this online transaction, they don't make it available. Now people don't they run down one. That issue of I give person money, I not see how I give person money, my family not receive how I do this, and all of the close. All those one are not there again. But now una want bring am back again. Una just want make una citizens you dey cry for everything, every area. Make citizens you dey cry. See, Mr. President or whatever you call yourself, your government, all over the world, your government are the worst. Your government are the worst. Whether not because say that you know they use one year till the year, I don't know. If you know they use one the year, they bend your head, they use the other one the year. They bend your head, they work out so that things go to enter. What till they work this government self? The CBN, what till they worry now? Una carry transaction matter like say na that one now una take they survive. Cryptocurrency come now, una say una want abandon. This one go come now say una want do this. What you even dey worry on yourself? Every other things when they boom, every other countries, their economy, it go come to Nigeria, una go ban down, una go stop everything. Did they see any nation or any country when online transfer no they go on? Okay, CBN, I get one question for now. How many times una don see say American they want do transaction, they offer convert am to naira, or even euro when greater than dollar, or pounds when greater than dollar? How many times una don hear say they want do any transaction, they offer convert am to pounds or euro? Una don see am before? If una mumu no too much, una no know. If they no tell una, una no go know. See, may I tell una one thing, our politicians, may I tell una one thing, una see wisdom, una see knowledge, not be by school. Now they take get wisdom, or now they take get knowledge. Not be by school. Common sense, una no get. See, this 2021, this 2021, wanna avoid me. If thunder when carry fuel, if una no want me strike una do things well. What a government.